Hi everyone, welcome to Family Sundays. My name is Abby. I'm a public programming assistant. And before we start, I just want to acknowledge that the Kelowna Art Gallery is on the unceded traditional territory of the Okanagan Syilx people. I also want to say thank you to our longtime sponsor, Source Office Furnishings. Thank you so much for sponsoring Family Sundays. You're the best. So today we are making a paper woven Easter egg. So for this activity, you will need white paper, a color that you want for your chicken. So I chose yellow, and then some other fun spring colors. You also need tape or glue, a pencil, a black marker, a ruler, and some scissors. So I'm gonna grab my white paper, my pencil, and my scissors for our first step. We are going to lightly fold our paper in half. And we are going to draw kind of a U shape, like so. And then we are going to grab our scissors and cut it out. Like that. And then you will open it. Then we are going to draw some cracks and cut that out. So it looks like a little cracked egg. Now you're going to grab your black marker and you are just going to outline the egg to give it some definition. So after you are done your outline with your black felt, you are going to draw some vertical lines, like so, about 1 centimeter apart. Now you are going to grab your scissors and fold your egg in half, like so, and you are going to cut on those lines. Now we're going to take out our colored paper, our ruler, our pencil, our scissors, and keep our little egg on standby. And we are going to take the colored paper, and what we're going to do is do some strips and cut them about 1 centimeter apart, just like we drew the lines on the egg. Now that we have our lines drawn, we are going to take our scissors and we are going to cut out these strips. Now we are going to take our egg, our strips of paper, and our tape. And what we're gonna do is start weaving our paper through. So I'm gonna go in through one side, so we're gonna go underneath here. And then for this strip, we're going to take this paper and put it on top. And then underneath the next one. And we are going to repeat this step with all of our colors. Now that we have woven all of our paper through, we are going to turn it around like so and secure each edge with tape. And then we are going to cut this out to clean up the edges. Now we are going to take our pencil, our tape, our black marker, and our chicken colored paper. So I chose yellow, but you can make a pink chicken if you want. There's no rules here. And so I'm actually going to make it have a fun little pink beak because I think that's so cute. So what we're going to do is take our pencil and we are going to take our egg and draw a little U shape. And then our next step is drawing a 3 shape, like so, and an E shape, like so. Now we're gonna take our scissors and we are going to cut out our chicken head and our chicken wings. Now we're gonna take our pink paper and we are just going to draw a cute little triangle and take our black marker and outline that triangle. And now we are going to take our scissors and cut that triangle out. This is precious. Now I'm just gonna take a scrap piece of paper, lay my chicken on it, and then we are going to outline the chicken in black, outline the chicken's wings in black. Now we are going to flip our chicken head over, grab our tape, and tape the wings onto either side. So now we are going to either tape or glue our little chicken nose beak onto our chicken. And then we are going to take our black felt and we are just going to draw some cute little eyeballs. So for our final step, we are going to take our chick and our egg. We're gonna flip them over and we are going to tape her down. Here we have it. Yay! Now we've made our fun little woven Easter eggs. And next week, I can't wait to see you because we will be making some fun flourishing flowers.